Hello everyone, my name is Leslie. I am a Montessori certified guide, and most importantly, I am a mother to this sweet girl here who is now 16 months old. Have been incorporating the Montessori philosophy at home, and today I want to share with you what a child-led walk is. You can start implementing child-led walks as soon as your infant or toddler start walking. And Montessori child-led walks are a great way to foster independence in children. Now, during a child-led walk, children are given the opportunity to explore their environment independently. And of course, there is always an adult or a parent around for safety purposes and for encouragement. Now, during a child-led walk, the child can choose where to go, what to look at, and the truth is that this gives them a sense of control and ownership over this experience. The adult can always offer guidance, but the idea is to allow the child to take the lead, hence child-led walk. And child-led walks can truly provide children with the opportunity to observe, to watch the world around them, and to take it all in, to explore different environments, to practice problem-solving skills, and to even work on their gross motor skills. This all helps them become a lot more independent. And I have to say that this also helps your young child gain confidence to take the lead and to practice those leadership skills that truly are a life skill. And one of the great things that I love about a child-led walk is that it provides children with awe and wonder. When they stop and they look at a rock, they stop and look at twigs, as my daughter is doing here. She's going back to really explore, as you can see. It gives them so much awe and wonder. And it allows us, the adults, to slow down. It allows us to just see the world in their eyes. And truly, as parents, that truly is where we hold these beautiful memories in the moments when we slow down and we simply take in the world through our child's eyes. Now, there is no right or wrong way with a child-led walk. If your child needs to be picked up at times or maybe be placed in a carrier, that's okay. The idea is that you start to implement this so that your child gets practice with walking and with leading. Lots of patience is also encouraged for the adults, having that it might be that you don't walk very far. You might only take a few steps or walk a very short distance. And it's important that we always keep an open mind. But the more you do it, the more you practice, the more comfortable your family gets with this idea of allowing your child to lead. There are so many great benefits to allowing our child to lead a simple walk. And most importantly, it's a completely free activity. There's no need for you to go out and purchase anything, but just to simply have an open heart and have fun. Now, this goes hand in hand with freedom of movement, and the truth is that freedom of movement starts from the beginning, from when a child is born. Now, check out my course of the importance of play during the infant stage, where I share more about freedom of movement and how that can lead your family, but most importantly your child, to lead a walk once they are walking. Alright, so go out there and let your child lead the next walk that you take. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at latinx.montessori, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for being here and have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.